Okay, so you do your loop, ambil yang short punya strand at the bottom, the main line at the top, and then you just twist it like that, so that your loose end is at the bottom, your main line is at the top. Take your other string or other side of the string, put it at the bottom of the loop. Okay, nampak macam ikan kan? Then after that, this loose end here goes over that top main line under the loose end, and then what you need to do is the line that is under the loop, tarik dia dan masukkan. Ting. Now you have your basic for raga, but don't pull up your raga, because what you need to do is you need to continue to weave. So if you look at this shape here, you have one hole here, one hole here. So this top strand go from under, and the rabbit comes out from the hole. This bottom strand, there's this hole here on the bottom up. Okay, now
that's it. I always go to that hole.
yeah,
I always go to
so
this
now
hole.
you see you have this main line here, and then you have this main line here. Alright, so this right loose end follows this main line. Okay, mana dia ni?
Go bawah.
Okay, you will find that you will end at the bottom of the left strand. The left strand tu ikut this line. So sekarang kita ikut anyaman dia. Okay, what's very important for you to remember is you see this this square here. Once you see that, you know you're almost in the correct path already. So every part there you have two strands, betul tak? Dua.
This one.
This one also ada dua kat sini.
Okay.
So when you have this already, all you need to do is you need to pull it up, make it tight, tighten the thing. So of course you need to, basically for the top one, during penarafan it's okay to have this jutting out, but if you want to kemas, then you kemaskan nicely and pull it, adjust and pull. So this is the part that will take a longer time. If you know how to see the flow of the string, then you can tighten it easily lah. That's why you need to practice and practice, so that when you start, you don't have to do it so big. Okay, your tali that you start with, you don't have to do it so big. Do small can already.
This wanted to
Okay,
because
yes.
it's not on
OCD,
the thing,
OCD.
right?
Sorry, my student OCD a little bit, so she will help me to tie the thing and make it ketat. So this is the complete top, but it's still not completed because this size is supposed to be like half of it. You need to make sure when you press, you can press it. Then after that, what you need to do is with the other strand, with the other string, okay, make sure it's half of the string. What you need to do is you need to insert this second string inside that woggle there to make sure this will be where you button your Bushman Thong to your button, pocket button. Okay, so assumingly that you have ketatkan everything like that already, okay, you need to adjust that. Then this loose end, you need to use your finger to tahan. And then now you can start doing your tulang. For your tulang, the woggle string is not used to tie the tulang. That is the main how we say badan ke foundation lah. For the tulang, all you need to do is in front of it, okay, left one strand, the right one goes at the bottom of the main body and out. Then you have your first tulang. Nampak? So the same thing again, the left one goes on top of the main body, the right one goes on top of the first strand, bawah tulang dia, and then out. And then you pull it and kemaskan. In the real videos that I watch, they say that after you do your, but this string is not the correct string lah. The correct string when you twist it out. Okay, so let me just do it quickly, yeah. You need to do 23. So naturally it will turn. Okay, naturally you will see that there's a turn there. Don't worry about the turn. Just do your same thing repeated 23 times. See, can you see the natural turn there now? So that's gonna happen no matter how you do it. Now the challenging part is assumingly you have done 23 tulang. Now what you need to do is you need to do the woggle at the bottom. So using the string for the tulang, you've got to do your raga. Same thing. Start with that and then go through the same process. What time is it now?
10:04.
Okay, so again just now, this is your main line, this is your main line. This one follows this main line. That's one side done. Then this is the next one that you want to follow.
对，你就是放在手指，就是也不是这样拉起来。我不知道那个手，没有，我说那个前面脚，
Okay, so now you need to ketatkan, and when you finish making it together or making it tighter, what you need to do is this loose string, you've got to put it inside that loop there. So it's the same concept as the top, and you tighten it everything to a complete tight rugger at the bottom. Then you are done. Okay? Alright.
Congratulations.